Move over, copper. Thieves are now stealing catalytic converters off of parked cars for the precious metals they contain.
I started my car up and it just roared to life, and I turned it off right away and looked underneath and saw that somebody had cut off my catalytic converter.
It happened to KRON 4 promotions coordinator Tony Majowitz Saturday afternoon while he was at a movie at Hilltop Plaza in Richmond.
The copper wire I thought was the big thing now, but the security guy at the mall was like second one in a week.
Mall parking lots are popular spots for this type of theft, but authorities say it's also happening to vehicles parked on the street or even in a driveway, and not just in Richmond, but across the Bay Area.
Someone who is familiar with the underneath parts of a car are able to access it, and they're able to get it off within a few moments.
Thieves are getting anywhere from $75 to $300 for high-end catalytic converters, but it's costing victims a lot more to replace them.
It could be up to $2,000 to replace it, which is almost half the value of my vehicle, so I don't even know if I'm going to even be able to get it fixed without having to pay out of pocket.
The most popular vehicles to steal: Toyota trucks and Dodge trucks. Experts tell us those two have the most precious metals, and thieves can get the most money for them. Dan Kerman, KRON 4 News.